Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today in this video I'm going to show you the right step-by-step procedure how to do contouring the right way. Let's quickly get started, but before I start the video I request you guys to please subscribe to my channel guys. All you have to do is just click on this red icon below and share this video with your family and friends. Leave your comments for me in the comment section below. Let's start the video with the magic product called the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. It is my personal favorite because it so conveniently fits into your small pochette or clutch bag if you're carrying for the evening or any of your travel. I mean, it can go anywhere. So all you have to do is just open the stick, and contour is usually done on the areas where light falls really perpetually less on your face as compared to where the light falls the maximum. So where the light falls the maximum, we highlight those areas, and where it is darker on the areas of the face is the shaded area is where we contour. So right under the easiest way to contour is to make an E shape on your face. So I'll show you how. You start right where your brow ends. I'm going to show you this way here, and then you go right under your cheekbones this way, and then you make an E here. So this is the easiest guideline to do a contour shape of 3. 1, 2 and 3, and then I just do 2 dots here on the forehead, and I apply the same thing on the other side. So I start from where my brows are perpetually ending, and I extend it to my cheekbone, jawline, and that's the figure of 3. Isn't it very simple? Okay, now is the crazy part of the video, which is blending it right. So you take your beauty blender and you start blending it. Okay, that's the kind of contouring I like to do, very light. And now I'm gonna do the trickiest area, which is the nose. If you are not proficient enough to directly try it from this stick, you can take the help of an angular brush like this, and just take the product in the brush and apply it in the corners of your nose, starting from your brow point all the way extending till the front of your nose like this. And then I go like on the sides this way. Okay, so now we do the same thing on the other side here, and just on the tip I'm taking the Tarte concealer in the shade light medium, and I'm just gonna apply it on the tip of my nose like this, here on my chin, and right under where I contoured to give my contouring some more definition. A small little one on my forehead. Once again I catch my beauty blender, the same one, and this time I'm gonna first blend the concealer, the highlighter. Okay, now we're going to blend the contour on the nose. After the cream contouring comes the powder contouring, and this is one of my very cool favorite go-to palettes called Nudes Contour Palette. I don't know where I picked it up from, somewhere in London, maybe from Primark or somewhere, but it's really cool. And I take this angular brush and I just follow the same line of contour what I did with the cream one, and I just kind of accentuate and highlight the powder contouring when I do this. It's really not required to do this on day-to-day basis, but if you really headed out in the evening and you want like really chiseled cheekbones, then I really suggest that you go for powder contouring, because it's gonna give you a very lifted kind of a cheekbone. That's how you're going to get the look. And a quick blush check once more, just to kind of blend in your powder contour. And last but not the least, no points for guessing that I can't seem to end any video without a highlighter. So this, my beauties, is the complete tour on the contour. I hope this video helps you in nailing your contour goals and achieving this very nice lifted cheekbone look. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section below, and share this video with your family and friends. And until I see you for the next video, stay tuned, stay healthy, and stay sassy. Bye. Thank you.